Hi, Matt Beyer of Matt Beyer Organizing with Organizing for Small Spaces. How do you organize your space when there is no space? I was asked this question by one of my followers, so I hope this helps. Small spaces? I've been there. In art school, I shared a 600 square foot apartment with two other people. This is not the time to abandon the principles that work in larger spaces. It's the time to double down on them. First, you have to prioritize to organize. Having more comfortable living space means having less storage space. Things you use annually should be reduced and smaller. Someday maybe items should go entirely. For example, those product boxes you might want for moving someday. It's hard to justify the space they eat up in a small room. Clear surfaces are more important than ever. Items ordinarily accessible will be more likely to be stowed in boxes, so you need that surface for regular processing and for multiple functions. It needs to be easy to get back to clear for each function. The reveal, don't conceal rule is more important than ever, especially at the most accessible level. Actually, it's important at all levels because visibility maximizes findability. Next, maintain the priority distinction of the showroom versus stockroom model. But now your showroom space may need to look more like a stockroom. You take more advantage of vertical storage. Think of Costco or Home Depot. All the accessible items are on the lower level, but all the backup supplies are overhead. Don't want to settle for the Costco look? To make floor space, there are only two directions to go: up and out. That's it. So if you don't want to store upward, you have to reevaluate what can go out. Sorry, there are no magical organizing containers to get around basic physics. Finally, it's more important than ever that things circulate out as reliably as they circulate in. And this brings us back to tip 1. Prioritize to organize. You need to regularly donate, return, and sell items in your small space. Circulation prevents accumulation. It's actually possible to live large in a small space, but the focus must be on function first. Filling follows. For more easy organizing tips, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around.